We want to give a special thanks to Hasbro for providing us with these toys. Paging Captain Marvel? Our besties at Hasbro just sent us this giant box in honor of Captain Marvel, hitting theaters March 8th, 2019. I hope there are toys inside! But let's be honest, just the box is pretty amazing. Aren't you just the cutest little kitty cat? Let's open it to see what's inside. A giant picture of Captain Marvel! And a bunch of Captain Marvel stuff, like the Photon Power FX glove, Captain Marvel and Marvel's Goose, Captain Marvel Star Force. You can check out our Unbox Daily for these two on our channel. Photon Power FX Captain Marvel? I don't have this one. From the Legends series, there is Captain Marvel, Nick Fury, Jan Rog, I hope I'm pronouncing this right, and Talos, I think, the most cunning spy in all of the Skrull Empire. The Legends series are articulated action figures. Here's Captain Marvel in her suit. You can pose them in a variety of different ways. And this one, you can change the head and the hands to have more options and give us a Captain Marvel without her helmet. Oh, the kitty cat is all locked up. I guess we'll have to find out why in the movie. This Photon Power FX Captain Marvel has lights and sounds. It is for ages 6 and up and is battery operated. On the back of the box, there is a picture of Captain Marvel, and it says, Captain Marvel is a fearless leader who uses incredible energy blasting power to take down enemies and protect the universe. Let's get this out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, the head is stationary. She has movement at the shoulder. She can move at the hip, upper thigh, knee. That is a really good knee joint. The clothes are sculpted on, but she does have a removable belt. When you push the star, she lights up. Her hands glow, the star glows, and you can see some glowing around the eyes. This box is so awesome. We've got to make a room. And we can recycle some of the cutouts. So our Captain Marvel Star Force doll has a place to relax. The first thing we gotta do is make a floor. I'm gonna use this scrapbook paper and just glue it down for a very industrial look. I love reusing boxes. I use a glue stick to attach the paper. Unfortunately, I have to cover up the cat. But now we have an instant Captain Marvel background. I can use the bed from our doll galaxy room to cover the seam on the floor. That galaxy print bedding is perfect. And it gives our Captain Marvel doll somewhere comfy to sleep. I take the paperboard from the packaging and cut out a large piece. Use a ruler to draw a futuristic door. Cut it out. Make sure it can fit inside of the room. Place it onto foam board or poster board. Trace around it. Cut it out. Then make another. On the drawing, I carefully cut out my windows. And remember to always have adult supervision when crafting. Place it onto the poster board. Trace around it. Cut out more from the drawing. So I have 3 different layers. On the uncut layer, I printed out a picture from a spaceship. This is from the Enterprise, and I glue it so it is right behind the windows from the next layer. Take the other 2 and paint them. I use 2 different shades of gray. Once dried, glue them together. Use different shades of gray and silver to add texture to the door. I'm just using a little bit of paint at a time to give it a worn look. Cut clear plastic from the box, glue it behind the cutout, then glue it onto the picture. Glue it to the wall, so now she has a way to get to the rest of the ship. But since she's on a ship, she could use a great view. The box came with this cool insert that looks like you could easily make it at home. It is made out of cardboard and the sides fold down to make it 3D. I cut rectangles of foam board and I'm gonna glue it behind it to help hold its shape. We should be able to fit this right on the side. But now we have to make it look like a window. Take recycled paperboard, cut it into thin strips that will fit the inside of the box, paint them gray, add a little silver. I painted 3 of the sides, the 2 long sides, and the top. For the bottom, let's make this a little thicker by adding a layer of foam board, glue on a layer of fabric to make a cushion, glue them inside of the box to make the frame of our window with a seat. Cut clear plastic from packaging, glue it to the back to look like glass. I found a Galaxy poster board at the craft store, cut a piece that is wider than the frame, curve the poster board and glue it to the back, place it into the corner along with a little more Galaxy print, trace around the bottom, cut on the line drawn, glue it to the bottom of the frame, glue painted paperboard trim around the bottom to cover any gaps, take a pack of LED lights. We are going to use these to make stars in outer space. Turn the window around, make small holes, and remember to always have adult supervision when crafting. Tape the lights behind the holes, tape down the battery pack, place it in the room so she can see stars twinkling at night. Let's add a little more to the door. I paint more poster board and glue it on top, glue it back into the room to make the door more dynamic and make a great room for our Captain Marvel. How about some casual clothes? Our Captain Marvel has sculpted hands, so she forever has gloves and her hands balled into a fist. I wonder what she would look like on a made-to-move Barbie body. She's not a good match for the Barbie baseball player. I'm all out of purple top made-to-move Barbies, but I do have a curvy. This will change her body type, but the skin tones look like they'll match. So let's give it a try. Everyone, say it with me. Off with the head.
This is me, I'm so royal, and you all wanna be round. Yeah, you all wanna be round. Round a champion.
Wow, it's a very close skin match. We used our pattern to make a white t-shirt, stretch it over a piece of cardboard or poster board, lightly sketch a design, paint over it. I went with Hero. Let's give her a pair of Barbie jeans. From the Made to Move Dancer, I borrowed the jacket from the Captain Marvel and Goose combo pack to add another layer to our outfit. Take a white Barbie Crayola hat, dry brush it with a little gray paint to give her a casual look inspired by the movie trailer. Cut foam board and glue it to the wall, cut and bend a paper clip, glue it underneath, make hangers from our doll hanger video, place her uniform on the hanger, hang it on the paper clip, place the helmet on the shelf, boots on the floor, so her uniform is ready to go. Place Goose in the window seat to complete our Captain Marvel room. My favorite part of this room is definitely the Galaxy window. I love those twinkling stars. And I really like the casual look. We took a few artistic liberties. Thank you for joining us while we made a made-to-move Captain Marvel and room. Be sure to follow us on Instagram for Fabsome giveaways. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And you're done. Happy crafting!
'Cause you all wanna be loved. Yeah, you all wanna be loved by a champion, a champion. This is me, I'm so royal, and you all wanna be round. Yeah, you all wanna be round. Round a champion, a champion. Yeah. All I wanna do is just say, you don't understand how I play.
We want to give a shout out to Anastasia Reith. What's up? Hey everybody, I'm Sophie and you are watching Sophie's vlog. We are in outer space and we are about to meet Captain Marvel. Why are you in my room? I am a huge fan. So you say, while wearing a Wonder Woman shirt. I gotta get dressed. Did you notice we have the same comforter? So far, so good. This area looks clear. Wait a minute. I hear something. Is it what I think it is?
Your biggest fan! Can you say what's up to all of my Fabsome besties on Earth?